Conveyance collection documents Brooklyn land transfers from 1699 to 1896. Please note that these are just abstracts, not the actual deeds. For abstracts and deeds post-1900, you'll have to visit the New York City Department of Finance. So to get started with the land conveyance collection, you're going to need your block number and the distance in feet from your property to the closest corner or cross street. This information can be found at the Department of Finance Tax Map website. A link can be found in our House and Building Research Guide, or you can simply navigate to gis.nyc.gov/taxmap. Once you're at the portal, you're going to click on Current Tax Map. On your left-hand side, under Search Type, select Address from the drop-down. Just as an example, we're going to use 218 74th Street. So under Address Number, you're going to type 218. Under Street Name, or in this case, it would be a street number, 74th Street. And under Borough, we'll select Brooklyn. So the first thing you'll notice is the number here, which is going to be your block number, 5928. You can also find this information on the left-hand side by clicking Show Additional Information and Building and Property Information. You'll also notice that our property is highlighted. Here's 218 74th Street, with 74th Street and Ridge Boulevard being our closest cross street. So these numbers here, this 80 and this 120, is the width in feet of the properties. So you'll see that if we add 80 and 120, our property begins 200 feet from the closest corner. You are now ready to dig into the land conveyances.